So the decision to become a public company is one that is not taken lightly. It takes a long time to get yourself organized and to go through the entirety of the process. Start off with an organizational meeting where everyone on the team gets together, talk about the timelines, deliverables, and expectations. One of the key items in that is to obviously get the audits done. That process may take 2 to 3 months, depending on your preparedness. Once you file your initial documents with the SEC, they have a 30-day review period. By the time you get through the audits, get through the SEC review, and go back and forth on a couple of comments, you're looking at a time frame of about 4 to 6 months from start to finish. During the audit preparation process, one of the key things is to figure out how audit ready you truly are. So if a company has not gone through an audit in the past, you have to go back to the beginning of history for many key items, such as the equity transactions, fixed assets, and other accounts that build up historically. In the case of companies that have not gone through an audit before, oftentimes they are also not following GAAP accounting or have all the items required to complete an SEC-ready financial statement. As part of the SEC filings, both the CEO and the CFO are required to sign certifications as to the accuracy and completeness of the information included in the filing. Also included in the SEC filing is a discussion of the design and effectiveness of internal controls. Oftentimes for companies that are going public for the first time, they will find that their controls are not designed effectively or operating effectively, or perhaps not documented sufficiently. So putting those controls together to think about the size of the organization, how you can effectively design those controls to make sure that the financial statements are reporting accurate information on a timely basis is critical. In order to have an effective audit, you should start the process early. Start the process with a triage to understand where you are and the items that you're going to need to do in order to get through the audit process quickly. There are many elements of the audit: documentation of internal controls, third-party valuations, confirmations of stock, and other key transactions. So the quicker you can get those items organized, have all the documentation readily available, and be able to provide those to the auditors in a nice, tight package that allows for them to do their work efficiently, the more smooth the audit will go, and the quicker the process will come to fruition.